In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw USDT to fiat on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to convert your cryptocurrency into traditional currency and successfully withdraw it to your bank account. Begin by logging into your Binance account. After entering your credentials, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Once this appears, locate the Markets tab at the top of the screen. This section allows you to access various trading options. Next, you have the choice to convert your USDT to a supported fiat currency. You can either use the convert feature or engage in spot trading. To utilize the convert feature, click on trade and then select convert. In the conversion window, choose USDT as the asset you want to convert and select your desired fiat currency. After confirming the amounts, click preview conversion, review the details, and if everything looks correct, convert to finalize the transaction. Once your USDT is converted to fiat, navigate to the wallet section on the main menu. In the wallet menu, find and select the withdraw option. This will bring you to a page where you can choose the type of withdrawal. Make sure to select the fiat. After selecting the fiat withdrawal, you will need to choose the bank account where you want the funds to be sent. If you have not previously linked a bank account, you will need to do this first. Click on Add Bank Account, enter your banking details and follow any prompts to verify your account. Once your bank account is selected, review the withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. Confirm the details before proceeding. The final step involves confirming the withdrawal. You will likely be prompted to complete a security verification process. This may involve entering the code sent to your registered email or phone number. After successfully completing the verification, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account may vary based on your bank's processing times and any potential delays. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.